Hey, so you guys came back to check out my channel, which is I'm appreciating every moment of this. But right now, this is my first day at school, so I'm just gonna give y'all a breakdown on what I've been doing. So basically, I'm standing in a little doorway waiting for my ride to come. School was okay. I learned a lot more in school. I'm glad that if you stay tuned in the video, I went and got a computer bag, and I found out I had to take my laptop, so I wasn't too happy about carrying that heavy laptop to school every day. But that wasn't the only thing I did. I did other stuff too on the weekend. It's like brick cold outside right now. I'm walking out, like, yeah, you see that wind cutting up. And yeah, so y'all know that I'm a nature girl. I love nature, so you always gonna find me on the trail, walking, looking at the trees and all that. Like, I love anything that has to do with nature. Not only that, guess what? I got to go to a baseball game. It was dope. It wasn't my first time going. I've been to baseball, basketball, football games, but this one was dope because the team I was going for won. So that was like dope. Yeah, I enjoyed myself. You know, I will be checking out another game whenever the baseball season come around again because that was dope. Also, so this is me on another whole another day. I'm on my way to a jewelry store. Like I said before, like, I'm required to carry a laptop to school every day, so I had to go to the actual jewelry store and grab a bag. So that's what I'm doing. And right now, I waited to the last minute. It's almost dark, and I had to go to school the next day. But I was like, yo, I gotta do this because I don't want to carry it in my hand. So like, that's what I'm doing. I'm on my way to go grab a bag, to put my laptop in. And it's dark and gloomy outside, which I like. I love the rain. I love all that. But yeah, I'm on my way over to the jewelry store. So you guys stay tuned and see what happens. The purses, you guys can see. And they got the Christmas stuff out already. And oh my God, look at these dresses. These dresses are brand new too. Like, if you was going to a prom, like, they wore these dresses once. Like, they brand new. This is crazy. Look at this. I don't know if this is a wedding dress or what, but these dresses are brand new. But oh, I like these. Oh, these are so cute. Let's see if I can wear these. They not up high enough. I don't like that to be showing. Okay, so these are the shoes though. But you see what I'm talking about? These are $7.99. Brand new. Like, probably somebody stepped on, wore them like once and forget about it. They cute though. I like them. So, but I've been trying to look for some boots. Because I got boots, they too high on like the heel. And I can't find no boots with short heels on them. Like, oh, these are cute. Oh, they look like leprechaun shoes though, but we can work with it. They're magically delicious. But I don't I like comeback boots. I'm not into like boots like that, but God. So this is exactly what I was looking for. But these kind of look like no cap. Like, is this what you like? Is this what you probably like? I don't know. It's like Firestone. That kind of stupid. I don't like that. This one kind of okay. Probably can carry my laptop, and it's kind of like it's hard. Hmm. Oh, I like this one right here. It look like a diaper bag though a little bit, but it got a little bag inside of it. What store this from? Game Works. I kind of like this one. Definitely can carry. It's a possibility. The possibility is endless. I think I might like this over here is like makes sense though. Like this one right here just makes sense, but it's so big and then heavy. What does it say on here? What did I say? It's going down too far. I don't know. What is that? Louisville Slugger. They're kind of heavy. I don't know if I can vibe out to that. I don't know. I don't know. I kind of want to get a backpack. I'm toying. I don't know. I don't know. Because these are too heavy. But they are computer bags. And I do need to carry. Oh, I like this one right here. It got Atlantic on it. See how much this one costs. $9.99. It's not too heavy. I probably can take this to school. I think we got a winner here. This. What's this one right here? Got a little zip on it. Got a little snap part right here. Let me see how I feel on my shoulder. Put it on my shoulder. Do it get longer? Because if it got longer, that'd be even better. Yeah, I can see this back here. I'm not sure what this one is for. Oh, it's right back here. But it look like it's leather and you could be right, my friend. Oh, I like this Adidas, but too bad it's not gonna work on this. I was kind of want to go, but I'm taking my laptop to school, and I don't. Honestly, I do not feel like messing with a backpack. Look at this over here. Look at this. Look at this purse. I didn't even know they had. Look, this is like for a bowling ball. Like these don't have no long straps on them. Oh, I like this. Represent New York. What's up, New York? I miss y'all. Y'all miss me over there in New York. I miss you. Oh, look at these brand new shoes. I don't know what these shoes for though. Wait a minute. What is these for? Here's a shirt. Brand new. I try my best though. Guess that's why I'm in school. This might be somebody's basket. I don't want to touch it. It's yours? Sorry. Look at this. Look at this. I wonder, does she go at the top of a Christmas tree? I doubt it, but she's so beautiful. I know this one go at the top of the Christmas tree. This thrift store is so cheap. I promise you. Like the other ones be mad high. But this one, thrift stores be so expensive for no reason at all. But here's all the lamps, which I don't need any more lamps anymore. I was on a hunt for lamps. They sold those 2 lamps that was here the last time. It's crazy. They have 2 big lamps here. They're gone. You know what? I need some plugs. We're looking for plugs. I know you're like, what kind of plugs am I looking for, right? Actually, I'm looking for like plugs that's, I guess they call bricks. They don't ever have bricks in this store though. Like, that's what's up. Bricks are like this part when you just stick like the other part in there. And that's what I've been looking for. I remember when I first saw this, like I was in a thrift store and I was like, oh my god, an RV set. I thought I hit the jackpot. And you put your phone inside these. It's not even real. It's not a real RV like the one from, I guess, Mega. But yeah, what is this? Wi-Fi mini repeater. Like they used to have where they had like a whole, maybe it's over here. Like they had a lot of plugs they used to sell. And I don't even see any. I want some Christmas lights though for my bird cage. I wish they had some blue ones. I just want all blue Christmas lights. Let's see if they got some mini blue ones. Wait a minute. Are you serious? Is God listening to me? It say mini lights. Oh, they green. But look. It say green wire. But it don't say. They look blue though. I'll have to take them out and plug them up to see if they're actually blue. But wait a minute. Are these the same thing? Yeah, they're the same thing. Polygon. What is this right here? I guess it's a fixed light set. Boy, they got everything thought out here. These are red. I don't know what color these are. But there is a plug where you can actually plug these up over right there to see if that actually works. So that's exactly what I plan to do. Let's see if these work. So here's a little electric testing station. They got like the little sign right here. So let's see. Oh, I'm going down. Oh, I just close that. Look, I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's definitely blue. So guess how much they cost? Let's see how much these brand new Christmas light cost. $1.99, dude. Wait a minute. $1.99? Can't beat that. Well, I did get the blue Christmas lights, and this is how they look. Let me show you with the lights off. So this is how I look with the lights off. So cute. Oh, the little birdies. See how they doing. Look like they're not eating their food for the lot. Hello, Serena and Venus. Hello. 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 Are you guys doing good? Yeah. You like your lights? Yeah. You're not talking today? Speaking of which, I just brought them this little bird bath, and I'm about to put a video in so you guys can see them in a bird bath. thought it was really cool. They do have water, but they was trying to do bird baths inside their water here. So I went on Temu sale today, and I got them a little bird bath. But they just have these plugs like this. They all cost the same price. Look, this real big one right here. I wonder how much. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's 8 of them on here. I'm gonna try to find the one with the newest. Cause 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. I can't count today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All of them got 6. But this one look the newest. It's the. So I'm gonna get this one. I came here the other day, could not find. I walked right past this several times. I just do not see bricks. They don't sell bricks. So weird. Oh, look at this one. It's purple, and it's only $1.99. I'm gonna get this one. Let's just sit this right here. Oh, what they got in here though? They got an Echo Dot. No, nah, I'm not down with that. I was looking for keyboards. Oh, y'all remember Hero? But obviously, this look like, but they gotta plug it up. Look at. I wonder why I don't see no Bluetooth speakers in here. I gotta pee. With a lot of different expensive items, but it's not nothing. I had a red bike here. I still dream about that bike. I wanted it so bad. It looked like that. Y'all remember that bike I used to have a long time ago? Y'all remember that bike I had that was blue? They had a red one like that here, and it was so cute. And I went to go look up red bikes. Guess how much cute in the living room? Kind of look like dog fur though. Like, I don't know, have this motion. You say. Okay, so today's color is green, 30% off, and yellow. None of these pillows, not one of them, has yellow or green on them. They not. Let me turn my camera this way. Sports equipment here, as you guys can see. A lot of golf balls. If you'll play golf. Baseball bats. What else called? Play tennis racks. And then we have the trees. Y'all already know I'm looking at trees. I freaking love trees. They never ever have trees on sale. This is cute right here. Let me creep over here. Please be cheap. Oh my god, I freaking love this tree. It is so cute. I like it. What in the world are these? I guess they bar stools. I really don't need nothing over here. Oh, so I like that right there. They got all the stuff in it. That's so cute. 79. It's cute. What happened to his body though? Oh my god. Is he dead? I don't know if his body fell apart, but he is so cute. It's an angel. Oh, is that? I thought that was a real dog. Oh my god, that scared me. Like I thought that dog was for real, for real. Hey, thanks for watching my channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Make sure you guys check out my next video coming up. And I'll see you then. Bye.